Welcome everybody. I'm extremely excited this morning to introduce you to my new 2024 Corvette Eray. This Corvette is done in the beautiful red mist. As you can see, I have added many options to it. We have the Jake logo across the back, and it'll also be on the front hood. We'll see in a minute. I have added it has the visible carbon fiber wheels with the black lug nuts and the black wheel locks. It also has the edge red painted caliper. You can see the exposed carbon fiber ground effects on the side here and on the front. You can see that I have added some aftermarket parts. The grill splitter in the middle, exposed carbon fiber. It did not come with the ground effect kits, and it was on constraint at the time that I ordered it. You see the Jake logo on the front hood. I did add the carbon fiber mirror covers, and the carbon fiber door trim Y is also an exposed carbon fiber. The black painted nacelles with the roof color, the body color roof. As we open the door, you can see that I have done we've got the stealth package added, which makes the speaker here in a dark tint. Also on the door, the inside of the door is also dark, and on the dash pieces are dark. This is the carbon fiber level 2, which adds carbon fiber to the door along upper part of the dash and the center console. I've added a phone mount. We've got the competition seats in edge red, which goes very well with the red mist metallic. Also the seat belts. Those are two-tone seats, by the way, and we have a door sill that's been added. This is a wide body vehicle, just like the Z06, and there's a very easy way to tell the difference between an Eray and a Z06 in the wide bodies. As we come to the back here, you're going to see that it also you can get the low wing with the extended canards. If you get much bigger of a wing, it starts getting in the way of trying to get in and out of that trunk, any items. But a very easy way to tell the Eray from the Z06, of course the Z06 and the Eray both have these vents underneath the taillights that are much longer, wider than the standard Stingray. But the Z06 will have center mounted exhaust, as to where you can see that this Eray has the exhaust to the sides, and also you'll notice that I have added the black painted tips to make this a very balanced car with red and black all over. Now this car has been PPF on the front end, the track pack, to protect for rock chips along the front and the sides, lower areas. Also, it has been paint corrected, which means these cars from the factory, they're not perfect. You can see a little orange peel in them. You get it paint corrected, it really makes it shine, and then on top of that, you want to add the ceramic coating, and I suggest you do that to protect this paint along with the PPF. This car has also had some window tint done to it. But if you do the ceramic coating, one of the things is this vehicle will wash very easily. Everything just slides right off of that ceramic coating. So basically all you have to do is to use a pressure washer, not real high pressure, just low enough, and then once you get finished just pressure washing it off, you take a leaf blower, you dry it off, Maybe take a rag with a couple of, just to wipe off the remaining few drops of water, and you're finished. 5 minutes later, you don't have to worry about the brake dust or anything like that. It just all comes flying right off. Very nice, very easy to do.
And now a list of my suggestions.
Suggestion number 1. Expel paint protection film, paint correction, ceramic coating, and window tint. PPF track pack the front end and ground effects for rock chip protection. Have your car paint corrected at the same time. If you have it ceramic coated, it will protect the paint from UV rays, enhances the shine, and makes it easy to wash. A light window tint is also suggested. Suggestion number 2. Radar detector and mirror tap. This Escort Max 360 was a 5-minute install. Well worth the money. Suggestion number 3. Scrape armor radiator grille screens means more protection for your Corvette. If on constraint from the factory, you should have these installed by an aftermarket source. Suggestion number 4. Wide-angle mirrors. All low and wide supercars have a notorious blind spot. These are a must for any conscientious driver. Suggestion number 5. A phone mount. The phone mount and charger that is in between the seats is very difficult to use. You need something to be able to see and have easy access. This phone mount is easy to install using the USB charging port in the center glove box. You can see I have the panel off and use some pry tools to open up the gap at the front and pull the wire through. In all, the installation took me about 1 hour. The links to all the products used will be in the description below. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Now, to 3 more suggestions. Suggestion number 6. Jacking pucks. Since the undercarriage is all flat, the jacking points are easy to miss. These jacking pucks ensure the safe lifting of your Corvette. Suggestion number 7. Media card for your performance data recorder. GM does not put one in for you. I suggest a Class 10 with minimum of 16 gig, but suggest at least a 256 gig. Suggestion number 8. Protect your interior suede microfiber with first a cleaner, then a protectant. It does not take long at all to do, and very little expense. Sonax Cleaner and Dr. Beasley's Protectant are 2 of the best in the industry. We have come to the end of my suggestions. If you like what you see, please hit the like button and subscribe for more content. Stay tuned for all the remaining enhancements I have put on my 2024 Corvette Eray.